Action!
Oh well, I didn't think I'd end up fucking travelling again, but there you go. Hey, back in the
Anything's about you always help a mate, Morris.
Yeah.
When you're a showman, you're never out of it. Right, hang on, we've got to go the other way. So that looks like it's got to go inside, like so it sticks.
Right, need this one up then, don't we?
Hold up.
Right. This one needs jumping on.
Can we jump on that one?
Hang on, we've got to go in this one, look. Hang on. Lift that one up, Jay.
I'll lift that up on my own.
Right down.
Now
he's on.
What we want to do?
Hang on, he's
Let's
there.
me
Mate.
and you lift this one up. Can we lift this one up?
Hang on, he's on.
And then he's on.
He's on.
It's this one here, stuck here in the middle.
Let's let it go.
Yeah.
On.
Hang on, Morris, if we put it both ends.
Yeah, marry them together. There you go.
No,
He's stuck on this one here and he's jumping
No, we
here.
need a bar.
What you need is that just pulling that way, look.
Alright.
See him, look? See the gaps we got? There you go.
Go on.
Yeah, he's on. He is
Come
here.
on, Morris. Give him a push forward.
Yay! Good old Morris Rowland.
He's showing us how it goes. All we
Don't
don't want,
forget.
Morris, if you're on there and you went through and they went, whoa!
You don't fucking forget, do you?
No.
So you've got to make some new ones for there, have you?
Yeah, because
You don't want to put
all
the
the
old
wood.
You don't want to put the old ones on,
Well, I could do.
but then as you take them off, they make a new one.
Yeah.
That was your best
He
plan.
told me it was only one what needed renewing. Yeah. But I can screw that down once he's there.
Whew, here we go. Round the other side.
You want to put them other ones on while I'm here or no?
Yeah.
Then you know what you're doing, don't you? You take one out and make a new one.
Yeah. How many missing? 3?
1, 2,
4, 5.
5.
What number? 22 is here. 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26.
Yeah. This is what I've got. Yeah. I better take that. Yeah.
We'll fucking use that for a minute, won't we?
Yeah.
22 is just here.
What a fucking fit. Without any fucking about, you know?
I mean, you could, couldn't you? You could just knock them fucking boards off and use them again.
Yeah.
Time, you know what I mean?
Yeah. What's the next one?
23. What number? 26 is here. Yeah. 26 is here. Comes the Cowboys. It's 26.
Just lift your end up on this. That's it. Just put him on that grip. That's it.
Oh, Morris knows what to do.
Yeah, fucking pitch lovely though.
That one. Yeah, keep the wood, see, it'll twist.
Yeah.
That damn thing solid, isn't it?
Yeah.
What number?
Got 2 on it.
Wow, they're all 2s here. 23, 24, 22, 25 and 26. 23, 24 and 25. Yeah, we just put 26 on.
Try him in this one, then you come around with him. Right? Let him rest on that one, and we'll just chuck him in. Chuck him in and I'll come over. Let's see. Oh, I wouldn't say.
Iron. No,
I wouldn't
you don't
say.
go there.
Should we try him
The
in
iron.
this one?
Yeah.
So,
It'll be the fucking last one, Morris.
in the middle there.
Yeah, he's all right
You
there.
don't
He's
look
sitting
too
nice.
bad there, do we?
No.
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 No, not like these fucking new ones.
See, I don't have to take these apart. I can try the wood for the cross beams, get all this bond set.
You could always make another set of grains another year, couldn't you?
Yeah.
So we I'd lift them up on there and it's like sure we chuck around and around. Let's see. Let's just pull the fucker over. I wouldn't
He's a
say
mile
so.
out. He's a mile out, isn't he,
Just pull
Morris?
him over there, shall we?
Yeah. Hang on. What have we done wrong here? Hang on.
Morris is not wasting no time.
Just get in there.
Hang on, that box go through the bottom.
I would leave him there a minute. He'll go, won't he?
Yeah.
Let's get that other one in.
Yeah.
Then that can be barred over, but he will go
Yeah.
there. Okay.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, he's got him.
Alright.
Come on, mate. Go back, like, he's got to go back that one. That's in Morris.
Yeah, it's that
Yeah.
yellow one up
Blue
there.
like.
So, lift this one up and marry him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on.
The jigger, the poker, you go.
Yeah.
You can jump on that end.
Yeah.
That's him. That'll do, won't it?
Now it's gone down there. To me, Morris.
There.
Yeah.
And that's here though. That's about it there.
Yeah, that's it then.
Yeah, look at that one's been cut on the corner there.
Yeah.
Look, see the shape of that?
Yeah.
Well, at least you got them off. You can take one off and make
Yeah. Yeah.
silver, can't you? You can get somebody to fucking make them with them boards.
Yeah,
you
that's
got
what
there.
I most probably do.
I
But
would.
with the weight,
To
these
save-
are the boys.
Yeah, but that could come another year once you've
Yeah.
because you got enough to spend now.
Yes.
You don't want to be doing that now, do you?
No.
Because you can use these and then another
They've done
year.
a nice job because you look at the shape of these here.
Yeah.
To them, they all marry up perfect
Yeah.
going around the edge.
So if you get somebody to do them for you.
Yeah, because I've got to level up the gates
Yeah.
because we've got to swap these irons.
Yeah. Then you can.
I haven't tightened the trams up, so that'll make a bit of difference.
A couple of years time, you can always, if you want to, then do it then.
I
can't
won't
you?
have it.
Eh?
I want to get a grass cutter twist.
Yeah.
This will be alright. Once it's done, I'll have it for a year, 2 years, and then
Get rid of it.
get rid of it. Build
Yeah.
me money back up.
Yeah.
This took me life savings, £3.5 grand. And £3 to have it delivered.
Yeah.
He was a liberty taking cunt.
Well, everything's fucking dear and
Yeah.
nothing's cheap, is it?
No.
Nothing's fucking cheap.
Not these days.
Just watch them planks, Mark, because I wouldn't trust it.
What you pay for this is what I pay for fucking that.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I get time, I'll come up and have a go at that.
Yeah, I
little bit,
appreciate
yeah.
that, mate.
And I'll have a look at that arm.
Been a big help, Morris, just to helping us with this.
Well, the trouble is, we're a bit of